Testing of Hyundai HGN25 air circuit breaker. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing we use 220-volt AC power supply. First we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UBT. Next we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And lastly we perform a long time delay test and after about 15 minutes the breaker trips. It is now clear that the ACB air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.